Jupiter is the fifth planet from our Sun and is by far the largest planet in the solar system. More than twice the size of all the other planets combined, Jupiter's stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia, floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. The iconic red spot is a giant storm bigger than the Earth and has raged for hundreds of years. The largest and most powerful hurricane ever recorded on Earth spanned over 2,000 kilometres across, with winds gusting up to 500 kilometres per hour. But even that storm was dwarfed by Jupiter's giant red storm. Jupiter is surrounded by dozens of moons and also has several rings. But unlike the famous rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are very faint, made of dust, not ice. Jupiter, being the biggest planet, gets its name from the king of ancient Roman gods. Its environment is not conducive to life as we know it. The temperatures, pressures, and materials that characterize this planet are too extreme for life to adapt to. While the planet Jupiter is an unlikely place for living things to take hold, the same is not true for some of its many moons. Europa is one of the most likely places to find life anywhere in our solar system. There is evidence of vast oceans just beneath its icy crust, where life could possibly be supported. With a radius of 70,000 kilometres, Jupiter is 11 times wider than the Earth. If Earth was the size of a coin, Jupiter would be about the size of a basketball. Its average distance is 500 million miles from the Sun and takes approximately 43 minutes for light to travel to it. Jupiter also has one of the shortest days in our solar system. One day on Jupiter takes around 10 hours, the time it takes for Jupiter to rotate or spin around once. Jupiter makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 12 Earth years. Its equator is tilted with respect to its orbital path around the Sun by just 3 degrees. This means Jupiter spins nearly upright and does not have seasons like other planets do. With 4 large moons and many smaller moons, Jupiter forms a kind of mini solar system. Jupiter has 80 moons. 57 moons have been given official names. Another 23 moons are awaiting. Pluto's 4 largest moons, Ganymede, Titan, Mercury, Callisto, were first observed by the astronomer Galileo in 1610 using an early version of the telescope. These 4 moons are known today as the Galilean satellites. They are by far some of the most fascinating destinations in our solar system. Scientists say the Great Red Spot is growing and is now large enough to swallow the Earth 4 times. Scientists are now wondering, how big can this storm become? Could it become so large that it draws in other planets closer to its gravitational pull? Could it become a sinkhole, in fact, a black hole, pulling our solar system closer to its massive vortex? Food for thought. Click like and subscribe. Live long and prosper. Good night.